We're going on a safari to Darkest Africa. Kevin and Katie and Mommy. It's like going to explore. See up there? Here's the meeting. Say hi, Mama. Say hi to you. All right. Okay, we're going. Oh, there you go. Oh, it is. Where's my kiss? Kitty, where's my kiss? Kitty, where's Dada's kiss? Kitty, where's my nose? Where's Katie's nose? Yeah. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Ah, she's shy now. She wants to jump in the water. Are you ready to go? There you go. I'm going to put it on my shoulders. Ready? Happy up there? Again? Uh-oh, she wants to leave. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's moving.
Can make a right turn? Yeah, right up to the front here. Saves you a seat. Yeah, best seat in the house. Except for on a boat. Oh well. So morning guys, if you're coming in through the back door there, please watch your head and watch your step. Go ahead and go around the espresso machine, past the casino, through the buffet. Yeah, don't stop at the dance floor just yet, guys. Come on, always fine.
The casino?
Later.
Where?
Yeah, later. Morning guys, there you go. Oh, thank you so much, by the way, for volunteering to sit there, sir, on the sacrificial altar. Yeah, I'll explain that more later when we get to the flaming volcano. Don't worry, you don't have to do much, but I'm sure you'll get quite a bang out of it. It'll be fantastic. Yeah. Hi, Princess. What's your name? Katie? Hi, Katie. Can you swim? Excellent. Our Princess Katie, she's going to be our assistant skipper. In case of an emergency, she can and will be used as a flotation device. Everyone wave goodbye to those beautiful people up there. Yeah, you're never going to see them again. Then again, you never saw them before, so what do you care? Welcome aboard the World Baby Struggle Cruise. My name is Jenny, and I'm going to be your skipper. That's Katie, she's your assistant skipper. Together, we're going to be your crew for the next 5 exciting days of time romantic nights. Please keep your hands and arms inside the boat at all times, and please do remain seated. Are you guys ready to see some danger? Yeah! There it is, right there, big white letters. Danger. Yay. Oh, wow, look at this. It's a sneak peek at some of the strange and exotic creatures that we'll be seeing today in the jungle. Yeah, watch out for the little ones. They tend to latch on to the big ones, suck them dry for 18 to 25 years. Well, folks, are now entered into an ancient Cambodian shrine. It was once built by ancient Cambodian shriners. Over here on the left, you can see a Bengal tiger. That cat can jump 25 feet in 1 leap. Yeah. We're only about 18 feet away, so keep going. He's going to land right over there, that bush. Yeah. Oh, wow, look at this. Looks like the whole herd is out here for a bath, and this is exciting. You know what, I haven't seen this many elephants all day. Yeah, you guys have cameras, feel free to take as many pictures as you like. I'm sure they all have their cameras on, so it's going to be just fine. Yeah. Hey, ever wonder why elephants are so wrinkled? There are no irons in the jungle. You, elephant, down, please. Okay, that works. We're going to go ahead and push off through and hopefully it doesn't come back up again. Okay. Oh no! Oh no, guys, get down, get down, get down. You're going to go back, get down. I'm just kidding. Wow, you in the back there, you didn't move a muscle. You were paralyzed with fear. Oh, how sad. Huh, they must be new. Oh well. Oh, look at that cave right there. Looks like like a whole family of lions watching over that sleeping zebra. Isn't that sweet? Yeah. You know what? He looks dead tired. Let's let him rest in peace. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is why you should never get into an argument with a rhino. They always get their point across in the end. Yeah, bottoms up, guys. Bottoms up. Their ears that blow bubbles. Oh my gosh, they're wiggling their ears and blowing bubbles. Guys, they're gonna charge the boat. Cover your ears. It worked! I scared them away! Boatheads anyway. Oh, look over here. It looks like the natives are celebrating. Let me see if I can translate what they're saying.
Katie.
You put your left foot
Katie,
in.
what's that?
You put your left foot out. I don't know. It sounds like a bunch of hokey pokey to me.
What's that?
Oh well. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the jungle here. See what else we can. Oh no! Oh no! Guys! Hide! Wait a second. Hold on. I know these guys. Hey guys! Guys, that's not nice. Don't try and scare my guests. You know what, guys? Turn around. Now bow your heads in shame. That's right. You guys sit there and you think about what you've just done. Katie, are you alright? Were you scared, honey? You better now? Were you scared? Are you better now? Are you brave? Well, here it is, guys. The magical, the mystical, the always stupendous, the backside of water. Yay! Backside of water. Woo! Yeah! But you know what's even more amazing than the backside of water? These rocks. Yeah. I like to point out these limestone rock formations because most people take them for granite. My sediments, exactly. Come on, guys, that joke's wrong. Now, up ahead, there's a Burmese python sitting in a tree. Hissint.
Katie, what's that?
Stay away from her, okay?
Katie, what's
You
that?
get too close, boys, she might develop a crush on you. And I know at first she'll take your breath away, but you'll soon realize it's quite a constricting relationship, not something you want to get all wrapped up in. Over here on the left, that's my good friend Peter Sam. Hi, Sam. You know, we're so proud of Sam. He just got promoted to head salesman of the jungle, and he's got a killer deal. Any two of his heads for just one of yours. Yeah, you know, any way you slice that, you're going to end up ahead. Well, guys, that's the end of our tour. I hope you had a horrible time today. Well, my name.
Thanks for riding.
Say bye, Katie.